guys, what's up? Where? Hey guys, what's up? Today's the start of my daily vlog. So I'm gonna be more energetic. I'm gonna be more crazy or whatever. I will try to speak in English so I will get a lot of views. Like my idol on my background. His name is Logan Paul. My sister's always laughing at me because she said I was always doing crazy stuff. I was talking like so weird, and I was like, she thought that I was a monster, which is I am not. So it was crazy doing this thing, but I love doing this because of that guy. Not his father. I mean, not his friend, but where's Logan? I just muted it because I don't want to get the copyright thing, you know. But I love that guy, Logan Paul. Well, not his friend. But guys, I mean, this is so important for me, doing my thing. Like, I'm getting ready to go my part-time because I work 7 days a week. That's, you know, I know you guys know that. And it's been a long time I did a video. I always doing reaction video, but this time I want to do a daily vlog to take you guys to my daily grind. So hope you guys have fun on my video, and I'll see you on the road. So peace out. Pasensya na kayo, medyo kusot pa yung buhok ko kasi medyo basa pa eh. I mean, still wet. So I'm going on my car. Ooh, MG, so hot. So ito na yun guys, mag-drive na tayo. Bibili muna ako ng snack ko. I'm gonna buy my snack, and I want it to be like the rice cake, right? Oh my god guys, this is freaking hot today. It was so hot, like for real, like oh my god. I don't know the weather right now, but we can check on my dashboard in 3, 2, 1. So guys, it's 89 degrees Fahrenheit today. That's why it's really hot. I need something cool to drink, so I don't know. I'm already sweating. I just took a bath and I'm already sweating, guys. So I'm thinking about what cool drink should I buy. I don't want a caffeinated drink. I don't know what else to buy. Maybe I'll get some like tropical smoothie, like sunrise sunset. How about that? I think it's cool. So let's go to tropical smoothie and let's buy some rice cake on the Filipino store. Alright, peace out guys. So ito guys, nakabili na ako ng buko juice at saka ng dyan sa may salis, ng buko juice dyan sa may salis, tsaka ng sapin-sapin at puto. So para may snack ako mamaya. Ito ba yung salis? Yan. So pupunta na ako ngayon sa work ko, sa part-time ko. So see you guys later. Init. Sobra. Hey guys, so andito na ako ngayon sa part-time job ko. Kung nakikita nyo, that's Jojo Beauty. Yun. So a lot of stuff are happening. Like maraming nangyari. Like maraming nangyari about show business. I just wanna say some stuff, like my thoughts and opinions about it. Like I think Liza Soberano is one of the chosen one to be a Darna, to portray the role of Darna. Young, she's sweet, she's genuine. I mean, she's Liza Soberano, who is portraying the role of Darna. This role for her is gonna be very challenging and very exciting as well. Kasi normally yung mga role niya is like a leading lady, like for sweet roles, for drama and stuff like that. I haven't seen her doing like more action role. So for me it's gonna be more challenging and exciting role for her. And alam ko na pinaghahandaan niya yun kasi I saw some posts about her, you know, going back to the gym, getting some grind, and it was awesome. Sorry, my face are red because so hot, for real. So for me, kaya niya yung gawin kasi she's a very young and very experienced actress, and alam ko na bawat role or bawat project na ginagawa niya is she's giving it all, like binibigay niya lahat for that project, and this project is so big for her, and I know that kaya niya yun. Marami nagsasabi na may mukha lang siya pero hindi niya kayang gawin, na medyo awkward daw yung acting niya, but for me hindi naman eh. So, tapos meron pang isang bagong maingay na teleserye ngayon, ang Katniel, which is the La Luna Sangre. Mukhang maganda to kasi Cathy Garcia Molina na naman, and also big cast yung teleserye na to, like John Lloyd Cruz, Angel Locsin. I think this is the continuation of yung teleserye nila noon. Comment kayo kung ano ba yun, Lobo ba yun or whatever. Hindi, not Lobo eh, basta napanood ko yun, nakalimutan ko lang, it's been a long time. And Richard Gutierrez na bago ng Kapamilya, that was so exciting as well. And syempre Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla, napakagandang teleserye nun. And let's talk about the daily vlog. Here you go guys. Daily vlogging is like killing me. It's like for real, like I have to think about a content for you guys, you know, kasi kaya hindi ako madalas nagba-vlog, or I didn't do any daily vlogs kasi I have no time, like even weekends I was working. So if nag-vlog ako, ito lagi makikita nyo, like going to work. That's why I always on my car, because I'm always, you know, working. That's my life is. Why don't you just do what you have to do? I mean, life is, you know, life is so short, and we have to enjoy what we have right now. I mean, this is what I love to do. I know some people don't watch my vlogs, they just watch my reaction, but it's all right. I mean, it's all good, you know.
I have the crayon like ones, the bigger ones. They just have those. Okay. I guess I'm looking for these, but in black.
I think we're out of the black.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go over here and look for the lashes.
I don't want to get big because I want to make nothing off.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
I got everything in here, don't I? Thank you. I got everything in here. And then it's all in the convenience space for a person like me who just want to pick up everything.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Dito kami ngayon, kumakain kami. Buffet City. Yep. Kasi batchig yun. Sarap kumain. Hirap mag-vlog. Later na lang. So, hey guys, that's all for now. It's time to end my vlog. Alam ko na walang kakwenta-kwenta naman tong vlog ko, pero sana nag-enjoy kayo. The food was great on Buffet City, Hibachi Grill. So, doon ako nag-dinner, and then ngayon, uwi na ako ngayon. Doon ako sa harapan ng bahay namin, and I hope you guys have fun and have a blessed day. And thank you for watching. And please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga bago kong mga videos and some of my awesome vlogs. So hope you guys have fun, and today is a game, NBA game 2, so let's all watch that. Peace out guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.